In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Amazon employee discount on Amazon. So it's actually quite simple. First, what you want to do is find something you would like to buy. So for example, this Samsung Galaxy phone over here, and then you want to add it to your cart. And then of course, we're going to do no thanks over here. And from here, what you have to do is go proceed to checkout. So just click this button over here. And then on the checkout, you'll have to add in your delivery or pickup address. I'm going to just do a pickup address for this tutorial over here. And then after this, there we go. It says payment method. Of course, you want to add in your payment method. And then it says enter a gift card, voucher, or promotional code. And this is where you actually have to type in your Amazon employee discount. So when you have a code, you just type in a code. So the code that you got, the employee discount, and you want to press apply over here. And if it is a valid discount code, so a valid employee discount, it will say okay and apply your discount to your cart. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.